Assalamu alaikum students, welcome back to the math class. This is Rehan sir and we are discussing the chapter number 10, that is circle. And today we will move forward and do the question number 6 of exercise 10.2. So in this question we are given the length of a tangent. The length of the tangent from the point A at a distance 5 centimeter from the center. The length of a tangent from point A at 5 distance from the center of a circle is 4 centimeter. Means the जो टेंजेंट की हमारी लेंथ है वो कितनी गिवन है 4 सेंटीमीटर. द लेंथ ऑफ द टेंजेंट इज 4 सेंटीमीटर एंड द पॉइंट ए इज एट अ डिस्टेंस ऑफ 5 सेंटीमीटर फ्रॉम द सेंटर ऑफ ए सर्किल एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड द रेडियस. सो इसका डायग्राम कैसे होगा? We have one circle, its center is O, and from the point A one tangent is to be drawn. हमारे एक टेंजेंट ड्रॉ करना है पॉइंट ए से. पॉइंट ए सपोज हम मान लेते हैं यहाँ कहीं है. ये जो पॉइंट ए है इसका डिस्टेंस सेंटर से है 5 सेंटीमीटर. सो ज्वाइन दिस पॉइंट. दिस इज पॉइंट ए and we have to draw the tangent to the circle. From this point we can draw like this tangent and we have to find the radius of the circle. So if we join the tangent to the center it will be the radius. Radius होगा second property. First property इसकी क्या है कि ये 90 angle form करेगा because the angle between the tangent and the रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कल इज 90 डिग्री. सो ये हमारा एंगल कितना फॉर्म कर रहा है 90 डिग्री. सो इट इज एन राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल. सो वी कैन अप्लाई द पाइथागोरस थ्योरम. लेंथ लिख लेते हैं कौन कौन से गिवन है. ये लेंथ हमारे पास है 4 सेंटीमीटर एंड दिस वन इज 4 एंड द distance of point A is 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. And we have to find the radius, that is R. So Pythagoras theorem के according जो hypotenuse होती है हमारी वो कौन सी होती है 90 एंगल के सामने वाली या अपोजिट टू 90 एंगल. सो हमारी hypotenuse कौन सी हो गई OA. Applying Pythagoras theorem. Before applying Pythagoras theorem, you can write all the theorem which we are using in this diagram. So from this diagram we can say that angle ABO is equal to 90 degree by theorem which is 10.1. So by theorem 10.1 we can say this that the angle ABO is 90 degree. अब ABO 90 degree हो गया. Then triangle ABO is right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. So we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. Now we apply Pythagoras theorem. Applying Pythagoras theorem. So according to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square, that is OA square, is equal to perpendicular square, that is R square plus AB square. Let's put these values. OA is 5 square is equal to R square. AB is 4 square. So you will get the value of R square. The value of R is 25 minus 16. That is the value of R is equal to 9, that is 3 centimeter. So this is the radius of the circle. So I think it is clear now. The length of the tangent is 4 centimeter and the point from where the tangent is drawn is at a distance of 5 centimeter. So in this way we can solve this type of question. And one thing you have to keep in mind, that you have to write the properties which you are using while solving the questions. If you didn't mention the properties or theorem, then the marks will be deducted. So just mark the point that this is an important point to write the theorem you are using. You can write the full theorem here, not the 10.1. I just write the 10.1, but you have to write the full theorem. I hope you already understood that theorem and you can write that in your own words. So still, is there any doubt? Then you can ask. Otherwise, we will proceed to the next question.